guys ready for a ride in a turbocharged Clubman wagon? Here we go. So Paul and I have been working diligently on this thing for quite some time now, and I think we've got it dialed just about perfect. Okay, nothing like artificial air. Now those are some nice sounds. We have got this thing singing. So I'm only going to take it up to 10 pounds of boost. And hopefully the microphone's catching some of the awesome sounds. Okay, here we go. Oh man, that's really cool. It just seems effortless. It's just making such clean power all the way from the bottom. There is no turbo lag. It's like right at 1,000 RPM, it starts building horsepower and torque immediately. So look at this. I'm at 2,000. It's just there. Wow. Man, that's pleasant. That is really a nice feeling. You know, we build these turbo kits to make decent power. We're not looking for 200, 500 horsepower. We're looking for a power adder. And that's exactly what this is. It's reliable, smooth, and makes wonderful horsepower. It's perfect. So I'm bogging it at 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. It's just instant. That is really nice. That having no turbo lag is wonderful. Dare I say, even like a supercharger. Look at this, we're going up a very steep hill, and it just pulls right through. Oh man, that's nice. Wow. You know, I am so fortunate, blessed, and humbled because I get to drive a lot of minis every day. And that's a good life. There you go. A ride along in a turbocharged Clubman wagon. Very cool.